Yo, this is me. I'm just chilling with my godbrother's new dog. Alright, we don't really have a name yet, but got him yesterday. Now it's just messing with you. Now it's just messing around. See his new surroundings. Oh, yeah, he knows what a crunching sound is now. Hey, no. Oh, Jesus, no, don't. I just said don't mess with that. Over there. Where you going? Oh, okay, you just gonna chill over here? Oh, what are you doing? Where are you going? No, God, no, don't do that. You're gonna get yourself sick. Yeah, my godmother does not want to munch on leaves, so it'll go up there. Right there in the shade. See how far this goes. Here. No plants to mess with. Here. I just said no leaves, you dingus. Get. This little guy's kind of a dingus. Okay, you can mess with the roots, I guess. Hey, where you going? You get yourself sick. Hey. Hey, where you going? Huh? Found something? Huh? What you doing? I said no plants. See, look. Hey, I just said no plants. God, no, you dingus. I said no plants. See? Follow the phone. Follow the phone. See, it's up here. Let's just say hello. Look at the phone. That's just 7 weeks old. So he's still a puppy. Kind of a dingus. He's a poodle. He's a boy poodle. Alright. What are you looking for? What? Oh, you sat on a stick. It's quite gay, my nigga. Hey. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna let you do you. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you do you. You can do whatever you want. If you get sick, not my problem. Oh, you found a stick. Ooh. Oh. Hey, bud. You wanna come over here? Huh? Hey, what you looking for? This is like one of his first experiences with mulch and dirt. He hasn't been this far, especially away from his mother in 2 days. Hey, wait. Hey, where you going? What you doing? Hey, where you go? Oh. Hey. Where you going? Huh? What you doing? Oh. Want me to chase you now? Okay, I'm gonna chase you. Hey, where you going? Huh? God dang it! Quit messing with the leaves, you dingus dog. Smell something inside? Oh, you want back in? Okay, you want back inside? Okay, here. Inside. There. No, don't mess with the slipper. No. No.
Black love is revolutionary. It empowers us. It unites us. It prompts. This year, Black Girls Rock is all about love. Real love. Tough love. Black love. We come together to resist hatred with love. To resist fear with love. To resist lies with love. Because we are defined by our love. So come rock with us. Black Girls Rock. By Taraji P. Henson. Tuesday, August 22nd at 8 on BET. Why are you here? You know to take that to Barbie. Don't call me kid. This one.
No, put this in your mouth. No, hey, no, 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 no. Let go. No. Hey, no, no. All right, if you want to munch on stuff, we're going back outside. Okay. God dang it. No. Going back outside. Okay. Outside. Oh. No. No, we're going back outside. This way. On it. No. Outside. No. It's sick. Freaking. It is sick. I'm gonna get in trouble. You don't want that. Okay, dingus. There. Where are you going? Hey, you wanna chase me around? Hey, you wanna chase me? You wanna chase me? Yeah. You wanna chase me around? Come on, you can figure this out. You wanna chase me around? Oh, come on, get over here. Come on, you're supposed to be chasing me. Okay, where we going? What are you doing? What you do? No? Okay, you wanna get down? Okay, we can get down. See? Just get down. There we go. Just hop down. Oh, look this way. Look this way. Hey, no? Okay. Hey, you get down on your. Okay. Boom! Like that. Hey. 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 What you wanting about? What you want, buddy? Huh? What you want? What you want? Hey, what? Where are you going? What are you doing? Yep. See, this is all yours. All this. This is your backyard. You gotta guard it with your life. This is your house. Wait. Where are you going? No, we're not going back inside just yet. Come on. All right, you want back inside? Okay, we're gonna get you back inside. Don't worry. You went back inside. You work hard, mother. Inside. Come on.
What you doing? You having fun? You're tired now, right? Would you like to eat something? You're not eating. I'm not eating.
So this is the place. Yeah, where my new hot honey crunch tenders get their start. Whoa, I've never had honey.
I think we're supposed to buy on the couch. Buy on the carpet.
You want to what? Or you like the carpet to pull on? Eat some food and not the carpet. Stop.
What do y'all want to eat?
I'm good with hamburgers.
When kids are coming into my classroom, they know that Mr. Jackson
Ask your
is
brother
the
what else
rapping
do y'all
teacher.
want to eat.
Okay.